What's up, guys? This is my 2015 Silverado 2500 HD with the 6.6 liter Duramax. It's been deleted and tuned, running a 150 horse tune. It's got a PPE wrapped downpipe, 3-inch downpipe. It's in here somewhere. I don't know if I probably can't really show that to you, but it's on some 20 by 12 Archon Cleopatras, 325/60 20s. Comes out to like a 36 by 13 or something like that. It is a high country, so it's loaded leather, all that stuff. It's got a 5-inch P1 race exhaust on it with a custom ordered TSO exhaust tip. It was in good shape until did a lot of highway running, and the rocks kind of took its toll on it. It's a she's pretty loud. You'll see in the clips coming up that she's pretty loud. That's pretty much it. I'm hoping I'll do a turbo soon on it. I mean, I have 160,000 on it, so I'm just waiting for the turbo to go bad before I go replacing something that isn't bad already. That's how it's going to be with injectors too. I'm not going to replace them until it needs it. But that's pretty much it. Enjoy the clips coming up.